Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x800701B1 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to update the USB drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and select Update Drivers and update all the drivers. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.